Make sure that the end of the liner tubing is cut square. If you notice, when you press firmly, the liner will slide up on the second to last shoulder on the static mixer tip. With the cone and the metal ferrule up on the tubing and the static mixer inside the mixer shroud and the mixer shroud screwed all the way onto the nozzle on the gun so that the static mixer cannot move. Press the two together and push the liner up into the static mixer onto the shoulder. You can feel it go in place. Slide the cone all the way up against the threaded nut, the threads, and the male part of the ferrule up against the cone, and screw the two together. And it just needs to be hand tight. The ferrule will bite into the liner and will hold it firmly against the static mixer.